loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're doing fabulous and hopefully you're staying in and hibernating. Today's video, I wanted to do something fun and different and give my little island here a little makeover, if you wish. Hopefully it works out. So I got these off of Amazon, and these are the adhesive contact paper, and I try to match the one that's possible to the wall right here on the side, but not completely, but it pretty much matches the wall a little bit. I just wanted to lighten it up a little bit, but I'm really hoping that it works first, and then I'll do the rest of my kitchen. But I really wanted to test it out on the big one here. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up and start to clean the counter, and wish me luck. Ooh, these are so pretty. They're very shiny. I did not expect that, but then again, I do have one on my desk. I forgot. Yeah, they're very shiny. That's pretty awesome. I'm so excited. What do you guys think? I really love how it came out. I love it. Obviously, it's a big difference compared to that one. It's really dark, and it just gave the, I don't know, it just gave the kitchen a little, not too much light, I guess. It was challenging on trying to go straight down, which wasn't that bad in the end. So I used up all 3 rolls. I didn't use all of them up. 2 of them, it wasn't enough to start a whole length down, so it was gonna leave me like halfway, so I didn't want like half cut and then start over halfway, if that makes any sense. So that's why I used a new roller for the second time. It was challenging trying to get these little bubbles out, but I would suggest to use a hair dryer. At first I didn't really think it would help, but it does, especially when it comes like to the edges and on the side. Tuck it in under the counter. It helps a lot to glue it under, and it did a very good job on that. I will go ahead and leave the sizes on the screen up here if you're interested. And again, I got this off of Amazon, and they had like a bunch of different colors. I really wanted to get white marble, but as you can tell, it wasn't really gonna match with the kitchen. It was gonna like throw it off, I think. So this was like pretty close to the colors and tones of my kitchen. It wasn't too bad. I really like it because it has like little lines of brownish, and it brings out the color of the cabinets and my floors, a little bit more bright, happy color to my kitchen. I don't even know how long it took me to do this. I think it took me about 2-3 hours. It made me sweat. Yes, it did make me sweat. But it was fun in the end. I really wanted to get it done. I've been having these rolls for a hot minute, and it was a good project for me today. I really like it. Although there is a little bit of bubbles on them, but it's okay, I will survive. So then I'm gonna do my other little counters in the back behind me. I just probably gonna need to order some more because this is probably not gonna be enough, especially where I have my coffee back there. That looks like a pretty big area. One tip I would suggest is for you to get either a credit card if you don't have one of these. These are called Squeegee scrape. I don't know. These help a lot. I really like that this one is a little thick, probably about the same thickness as a credit card maybe. A credit card will work as well. And then, so you won't, I noticed that as I was doing it without my microfiber, I was kind of scratching the paper. I didn't really like that, so that's why I went and go ahead and just grabbed a microfiber cloth, and I just put it under it, and then just go ahead and then start scraping it. This helped a lot in not scratching it anymore. That's one big tip I would suggest, and along with a hair dryer, that helps a lot. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today, and take care, stay safe, stay in if you don't really need to go out unless it's, you know, for your necessities. The sooner we stay in longer, I guess, the better this thing will get. I just feel like people are not listening. But anyway, yeah, stay safe, guys. Take care, and don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I love you. See you in my next one. Bye.